Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of our daily task video is respiratory system. Humans have 11 body systems in which today we have to study the respiratory system. Now how we can define the respiratory system? Let's start. Respiratory system is a body system which contain various organs for exchanging of oxygen and expelling the carbon dioxide from the body. This is known as the respiratory system. Now we see what are the main functions of respiratory system. So firstly, respiratory system is responsible for intake the oxygen into the body and expel the carbon dioxide throughout the body. So this is the function. This is the first function of respiratory system. After that, second one is to filter the inspired air. Means in our nose we know hair-like projections present, which is we also known as the cilia. This filters the air and passes through the lungs. So after that, maintain the blood pH. It is also main function of respiratory systems. How maintain the pH we discuss. When we take oxygen into the lungs and when we expel it into in the form of carbon dioxide, this CO2 gas is mixed with water molecule and forms carbonic anhydrase. Now this carbonic anhydrase acid is dissociated into the hydrogen ions and carbonate ions. So this hydrogen ions is responsible for maintaining the pH of body. So this is also the main function of respiratory system. So after that, we discuss what are the types or which organs is involved in the respiratory system. So basically, respiratory system is divided into the two parts. First one is upper respiratory system and second one is lower respiratory system. Upper respiratory system includes nasal cavity, larynx, pharynx, etc. And lower respiratory is include trachea, alveoli, bronchioles, etc. part. What is we see in short what is alveoli? Alveoli is a sac-like structure in which oxygen is stored, and this is responsible for the transformation of oxygen into the capillary and take back the carbon dioxide from capillary to alveoli. So this process is happen by diffusion process. Diffusion means movement of molecules into from the higher concentration to lower concentration. Means in the alveoli, when oxygen is more in amount, they transfer into capillary, and in the capillary, when carbon dioxide is more amount, they transfer into the alveoli. So by this method, oxygen and carbon dioxide is changed. After that, now we see what are the some diseases of respiratory system. So first main disease is common cold, which is due to the viruses. After that, asthma, COPD. So in the asthma, we see what happen. Our airways becomes narrow or swell, and human feels difficulties in breath. So asthma, COPD. After that, lower respiratory diseases are lungs cancer, or etc. Pneumonia is also the lower respiratory tract. Now we see what are the treatment on the respiratory diseases. So first there is medication therapy. Means we use antimicrobial, antiviral or antibacterial drug. After that, bronchoscopy. In this, the camera is inserted with the tube in the lungs, and disease is detected. After that, blood test check. We can also test the blood. After that, we can also do the X-ray of chest or CT scan. So these are the diagnostic test and treatment on the respiratory system. I hope all of you understand the respiratory system. Thank you so much.